Welcome friends, I am Pawan and we will solve the PUBG own start problem in emulator. So let's start. First of all, I will show you its own working. So here we will start PUBG and as you can see I am clicking on play button but it won't work. So for to solve this you have to download software which called Process Hacker. So open Google and type for Process Hacker and download from file info here. After download, install it. I have already installed it, so I will not install again. Now let's start that program. After it open, now you have to search for AOW process, which is Android emulator process. Now terminate this process. Right click on it and terminate. Click on terminate and it will terminate. So now close this process, refresh and let's play. Click on play and it will open. Now you can see it has already started. So thank you for watching guys. Please, if you like, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.